In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Apple mouse and keyboard to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Apple keyboard and mouse, you can easily connect it to your PC or laptop. This will be primarily done using Bluetooth, so keep that in mind. Your PC or laptop needs to have Bluetooth compatibility. And as long as you are able to use Bluetooth on your PC or laptop, you can connect it to the keyboard and the mouse. So to set this up, go into the settings and access Bluetooth and devices. So on Windows, go to settings, Bluetooth and devices, and make sure that it is enabled. Once it is toggled on like this, you will be able to choose the option to add a new device, and it is going to search for nearby devices. Now, to set up the keyboard and the mouse so they are discoverable by your PC, I recommend turning them off and back on again. So if this toggle was set to the on position, just turn them off, turn them back on by seeing this green background on the toggle, and once they are toggled on again, they should immediately go into pairing mode, which consequently makes them discoverable by your PC. So once they are in pairing mode, they should appear on the list of devices. So once you see them here, just choose the option to connect to the Magic Mouse and the Magic Keyboard. It's as simple as this. Immediately upon selecting them from there, you will be able to use them directly connected to your PC. They will remain connected as long as they have sufficient battery, and when they run out, they should automatically disconnect themselves. You can also power them off to manually end the connection, and every single future time that you power them on, they should automatically connect to the PC as long as you establish the Bluetooth pairing once. So if it isn't working for whatever reason, check to see if there is any sort of interference. Maybe they are connecting to different devices around the room, so I recommend turning off Bluetooth on your smartphone, on your iPhone, just while you connect them to the PC and laptop, and afterwards you can turn it back on again. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple mouse and keyboard to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.